In this video, we'll be taking a look at 4 essential steps to ensure a seamless laptop refresh, letting you get ahead of the upcoming transition to Windows 11 and keep up with the rapid advancements in AI-capable hardware. The migration from Windows 10 to Windows 11 doesn't just impact the hardware you deploy, it's an evolution in software too. Legacy drivers may not function optimally, leading to potential connectivity interruptions and performance degradation. That's why it's critical to ensure the drivers you deploy have been tested for Windows 11 compatibility to ensure stability, security, and full hardware functionality, all keys to a successful refresh. Need to verify your device's drivers are optimized for Windows 11? You can consult the technical specifications and drivers and downloads sections on our product pages. These resources are continually maintained with the latest drivers available for all StarTech.com accessories. Modern laptops are getting thinner and more portable, often at the expense of integral ports such as USB-A, Ethernet, HDMI, and SD card readers. This reduction in connectivity can leave users without access to critical tools for their role. Deploying docking stations or multi-port adapters can ensure any device has the critical connectivity ports its user needs. By deploying these productivity powerhouses, laptops with even a single USB port can become full workstations with everything a user could need. By making these part of your environment, you preemptively address user requirements. Modern laptops, particularly those equipped with AI-optimized processors, need high wattage power delivery to keep up with their increased functionality. Additionally, industry initiatives to minimize electronic waste have led some manufacturers to exclude power adapters with devices. That's why it's critical to ensure your environment includes power delivery that can meet any device's demands. For stationary deployments, consider docking stations such as the USB 4 dock, which supports in excess of 100 watts. For mobile personnel, compact 140-watt GAN chargers provide efficient, travel-friendly solutions. High-performance processors such as Apple M4, Intel Core Ultra 200, and AMD Ryzen Pro AI are redefining performance expectations. But without the right infrastructure, their potential's wasted. To ensure your environment can perform at peak productivity, make sure your docking stations, cables, and hubs meet their next generation standards. This can mean seeking out connectivity accessories with backwards compatibility to deploy across your organization, or being prepared to offer personalized setups for high-performance users. By implementing these measures, we're sure you'll deliver a future-proof, user-centric environment that maximizes productivity and minimizes downtime. If you need any advice on finding the best accessories to support your environment, don't hesitate to reach out. Our customer success team is ready to support you.